Okay, this is Eurusd, and I'm going to be very quick on it. Don't have much time. I have students waiting for me. Now, look at what the price did here when it came back down here. If you look at this place, it's just the beginning of what session? London, right? You can see what the price did here all through yesterday. This has been happening, trickling its way, and boom, to the upside. What do you expect? More power to the upside, all right? Which was the entire bigger structure, what it was supposed to do in the first place, okay? So going back, we can see clearly that the market, the price refuses to break down here to do what? Create this fourth touch, which is not important. It wasn't supposed to do it anyway. So this price you're seeing right now is going back to respect the bigger structure, which was what? 1, 2, 3. This price coming back down here might not have its way. I don't know. No one knows what it will do. But at this point, this price is going upward. Maybe somewhere here, the reversal will kick in, or maybe somewhere here at the third touch. But the fact remains, this price will try to push its way up back to this area. Okay. Now, listen. Why am I saying this? You can see the message that the price left for you here. If this price action here was progressive, at least broke this level. Remember, what is this level? Okay, let's go to daily. Sorry, let's go to daily so you can see it clearly. This level is a very important level here. Okay, it's a previous intersection that we had here. But what did the price do? It wicked back at this level. There was no progression to this area. I mean, if this price was able to close above here, there will be that certainty to say that the price might start from there to trickle its way all back down to whatever, maybe this area. But you can see that there was a volatility here, but no progression. It just wicked back and near this area. Let's go to 1 hour so you see it clearly. Okay. So when, in most cases, when you see situation like this, where the price wicked back at the previous intersection, if this price did this kind of thing that I did here, crossing over this important level and closing above here, you might be thinking, or you will be certain that the price has done this and it will do what? Will come back down and trickle its way all back down. Because why? It has already shoot up. So what's the need of coming back there? But listen, when you see things like this, the market knows very well how you think. You must have placed your stop here and you go on a sell. You must have placed your stop here and you go on a sell. It will all take you up. It will push, it will smash these stop losses here and push up, making you wonder what had just happened. Okay? So that's aside. The entire bigger picture of Eurusd is like this. Let me show you guys something. The market made a huge push to the upside, and what did you see here? No progression. This price did not close above this one. Okay, this was the previous intersection, the previous value area. You are to look at what the price does when it gets to this area, right? So basically, you are saying this price couldn't even break this previous one to close above it, to show you that, look, I am coming to smash it and go back up. But what did the price do? It arced around here and made a complete and total reversal to where it came from, which is this area, right? And this area it came down to shows you that there is certainty that this price will do what? Go back down to this area. That doesn't mean it will do it immediately. It will just break and go back. No, you have to scale in to see smaller details on smaller time frame to see what is the most accurate place for you to place the trade. When you go to 4 hour, you can see the middle section here. If you were to say middle section, you put it like this. And what do you expect? You've seen the first touch, one, middle section. The next touch is here to take the trade, to give you that depth to take the trade to the downside. So I'm more interested in the buy up to this area and then start to do what? Sell, right? this is confirmed by the DXY as well. Let me not confuse you. Let's take this trade somewhere here, then we'll go out and then take a sell to the downside, because the bigger picture is a sell. Remember, on the daily here, you can see a total retracement after this arc formation. And what did you see here as well? The market retraces completely, broke this neckline with a huge bearish candle to show you that, look, there's no progression here, I'm going back down. Okay, so we might be seeing this price at least somewhere here for a double bottom. There might be double bottom here before this price actually goes up. Okay, which is confirmed by the DXY. If you see the DXY, what the DXY is doing is very simple. You have seen as I'm talking like this, Eurusd is flying to the tops. Okay, so on the DXY, what do you see? You can see a clear middle section here, and on the daily, you can see that this price has made this formation. Tendency is that this price will hit here before coming back down. So I'm more interested on the sell-off, on the push to the upside on DXY, which if it pushes up, the Eurusd does what? Goes down. But if it goes down first, Eurusd goes up. And what are you seeing here right now? DXY is going down, which is the strength of the US dollar. Okay, so you can see clearly what I'm showing you here. This was the first touch, second touch, third touch should be here. So as it's going down here, Eurusd is going up. Hence, we are on that buy for now. But at the end of the day, what are we expecting? We're expecting this price to do what? Do this first. What if this is the leg and DXY keeps on coming at least somewhere here? If it comes here, Eurusd is flying to the sky already. And then we do what? We take this trade maybe from here. You must be able to evolve with the market. What if this is it? What if this is the angle? No one knows. But we're dealing with probabilities to say we trade what we see. If this DXY, this is the daily, go to 4 hour. If a DXY falls back down to this area, Eurusd must be back to the highs. Okay, so that's how you see the market. That's how you compare both DXY and Eurusd, which correlates. Eurusd correlates 98 or 99%. I keep on repeating this so it sticks onto your brain. This is how you look at the market. You compare these things and then you see how you can make money for yourself daily. So you can see clearly that the DXY is coming back down, and if it comes back down to this trend line, what do you expect on Eurusd? Flying to the skies. Hence, we have positioned ourselves on a buy for now, and we take it on from there. Please share this video wherever you see it, and let other people see it as well, so it helps you and help them make money in the market. The trend is there for DXY to take this price to the downside, at least first, before coming back to the upside. Thank you and God bless.